You know, in this busy and saturated world of online business, the big question is, how can you market your creations effectively without burning a hole in your wallet? Well, today I've got your back. Hey everyone, it's Brian here. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm unveiling not one, not two, but 3 incredible free online tools that will help transform your marketing game. Imagine having the power to make your content shine on social media, attract more potential customers, and skyrocket your sales all without spending a dime. So grab a notebook and pay close attention because I'm about to share these free tools that will help you take your online business to the next level. And stick around to the end as I share a surprise announcement with you all. Let's go. Okay, so welcome to my computer screen. As you can see here, I have a QR code generator website. It's one that I chose at random, basically because I'm using this as a lead-in to the website that I want to show you, which is going to blow your socks off. As you can see here, we've got, a typical grayscale QR code that we've come to know and use for so many months, if not years now. But what I discovered is a new website that takes QR code creations to the next level. This particular website is called qrx.codes. And don't worry, I'll have the link in the description box below. And as you can see here, it really takes QR coding to the next level. I mean, look at these images that are being embedded into QR codes. And as you can see here, you already have the prompt that you could actually copy and remix and put into the top over here. And then obviously what you want to do is you want to enter the link to where you want your QR code to point to. And then all you need to do is just click on generate. Okay, so now that we're in the 4th quarter, why not create something which is typical for one of the holidays that we find in the 4th quarter? We've got Christmas here, so let's type in Christmas celebration with festive tree. I mean, you can go ahead and type in anything that you would like. Obviously, we want the link to where we want the QR code to point to. So I'm just going to put in the link to my YouTube channel over here. You can put in any link that you want. And then you want to click on generate. So you might ask yourself, while this is generating, Brian, why is this going to be helpful to me? Well, when you're creating social media posts, you can actually create an image in a QR code that people can scan through their mobile cell phone devices, then and obviously take them directly to your page so that you can get them into your shop ASAP, and they can actually, start shopping without having to type in the link in a browser or on, on a mobile device, particularly if they have a small keyboard and pudgy fingers like me. They can just scan it and head right directly to your shop. And look at this, what we've got here, okay? I mean, we've got these beautiful images here of a Christmas tree, and my QR code pointing to my YouTube channel has been embedded into the QR code over here. So again, all you need to do is when you're happy with one of them, you can either click on the download button here, or you can share it. So if you just click on the share button, obviously you will need to add the links to your social media accounts, and then you can just send them via mail, via OneNote, copy the link, put it on Facebook, on Instagram, Pinterest, or any of the other social media platforms that you use in order to direct traffic to your shop. So this particular website is called qrx.codes. There's a lot of potential in this particular platform. And again, you don't necessarily need to use it for Christmas. You can use it for any niche and any event, anytime throughout the calendar year. So the next one that we're going to be looking at is memefy-ai. Now, this is a platform where you can take whatever image that you've generated. Let's say, for example, you've created a design, you've created a mock-up, say either through the use of Ideogram, or maybe you still use Placeit, which is still a great platform to use, or any of the other mock-up programs that are out there. You've created it. Now all you have to do is just upload it into this website, and then you can create some really funny memes which could grab the attention of viewers as they're scrolling through their feeds. They're going to study the image a little bit more, and then once they study the design, they can visit your shop in order to check out the design and maybe even purchase it. So how do you go about using it? Well, we're just going to click on the image here. And what you want to do is, I've created an image over here, a mock-up through Placeit. Let's just bring that up right now, okay? And basically is just an all-over pattern of Christmas baubles that I generated in a previous video. I'll leave the thumbnail to that video up on the screen now. And as you can see here, it's a cup of hot cocoa with marshmallows. It's very simple to use. So you have 5 languages that you can actually generate a meme in. That's English, Spanish, French, German, and Portuguese. So if you market to a client base in these particular countries who utilizes this language, well, you can actually generate a meme in those languages and reach out to more people. Now, in the next field is a level of humor for the meme. And when you click on the drop-down arrow, you've got wit, slapstick, sarcasm, parody, and dark. And obviously, it depends on what kind of humor that you want to send out to the public. You're going to choose one of these. Let's just leave it on wit here. And then all you want to do is you want to click on generate meme. Now, it does take a few minutes to generate. I already went ahead and created one for you. So here's the one that I generated earlier. It says, when life gives you cold days, warm them up with a cup of chocolatey goodness. Now, you can see that the text has been cut off on the side. It's not always perfect. It's still, a relatively new AI. You do have the watermark at the top here. So what I would suggest that you do is see what is generated on this particular AI. If it's nicely laid out, well and good, just go ahead, click the download meme, and you're good to go. But if it's something like this, open up Canva, drag your image onto Canva, and then just type this text onto your meme in Canva and download it. So again, AI isn't always necessarily perfect every time, but when you think about it, that you can re-roll this simply by clicking the reset and then choosing the different type of humor that you want over and over again. You can create so many new memes that you can use for your social media marketing that will actually get people to stop scrolling, read whatever the meme says, and then actually scope and take a look at the image. You're going to have your design on the mockup that's being used in conjunction with the meme, and you're increasing your chances of getting people to come over to your shop, clicking on the link in the post to come over to your shop, and obviously hopefully making the purchase, particularly if they like what it is that they are seeing. So that's memefy-ai. Again, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Okay, so now the last website that I want to show you is eliteaiwriter.com. And this is a really versatile platform too as well, because as you can see here, you can use it to help you write articles and blogs, ads and marketing tools, general writing, careers, e-commerce, website copy, social media, and others. So basically for us in the print-on-demand industry, I think that what you want to really focus your attention on is social media, e-commerce, maybe even if you have a website that you can write articles and blogs for. So let's just tap on e-commerce over here. And we've got 5 different headings here. Product descriptions, Amazon sponsored brand ads headline, that's a bit of a mouthful, Amazon product descriptions, etc., etc. Now don't be afraid because of the fact that all you see is the word Amazon in 4 of them. You can still use it and then place it on whatever platform it is that you want to utilize the text generated. Now I went ahead and created something in advance, and basically it's with relation to the Christmas bauble mug design. So all I did was typed in Christmas bauble coffee mug. In the short description, I keyed in some keywords, Christmas bauble coffee mug design for the holiday season. Again, some more keywords here, Christmas, holidays, festive celebration, and then I chose a tone of voice. And when you click on the drop-down arrow, you're given a number of choices in terms of what kind of tone you want the writing to be generated in. So you got excited, professional, encouraging, etc., etc. And then again, you can choose what language. And as you can see here, there's quite a number of languages that you can select from. Obviously, we left it in English. And then we've got this copy over here. I'm not going to read it, but suffice it to say, there are 213 words. Okay, and basically you can just simply copy and paste it onto whatever social media platform, or again in any listing that you are creating on. Maybe we have a Shopify or an Etsy shop, or maybe even post up on Amazon and you want to include a nice description to go with that particular product. Again, it really takes the guesswork out of what it is that you're going to be typing, how you're going to formulate it. Again, maybe if English isn't your first language, this could be a great tool to help you negate that issue so that you can focus on getting things done rather than trying to spend tons and tons of hours trying to figure out how you're going to generate it, what you're going to type, do you have any spelling or grammar mistakes. This takes the guesswork out of all of it. Now, for this particular platform, you're given 10,000 free premium words. Once you reach 0, then you either have to, obviously register with another email address, or else you can actually, log in and take a subscription with them. If we go back, you can even click on social media here. And as you can see here, you've got YouTube hooks, intros, Instagram captions. Obviously, it's no longer Twitter, just above me, so you can say X tweets. Again, there's just so much that you can actually utilize from this platform, and in this way, you can spend more time doing what you love, and that's creating amazing designs to upload to your respective print-on-demand shops so you can increase the potential of making more sales, not only in this 4th quarter, but in the coming calendar year and thereafter. For those of you who've been subscribed to my channel and have been following my community posts, you'll know that earlier this week, I crossed the 5,000 subscriber milestone. 2 months earlier than I had planned, which I'm super happy about and very humbled. You guys and gals are all amazing, and I'm so honored to have you in my YouTube community. To mark this occasion, I'm going to be offering a free 60-minute one-to-one mentoring session with 2 lucky subscribers of my channel. To be in for a chance to win, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and comment the print-on-demand platform you upload the most to. Is it Redbubble, TeePublic, Etsy, Amazon, Zazzle, or any other platform? Just type in the name in the comment section down below. That's all you have to do. On Tuesday, October 31st, I will randomly select 2 names from everyone who has commented on this video and then announce those winners in my next video. Good luck to all of you who participate, and now check out this next video to help you create all over Christmas patterns using ChatGPT and Midjourney for this holiday season. I'll see you there.